Good morning. Welcome, Zero Period. I'm going to give you some instructions on what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be working on the Cleveland Lloyd dinosaur mystery today for a little bit of class, and you're going to be coming up with your explanations for what happened today. The first thing I want you to do, though, I'd like you to go to Google Classroom. You're going to fill in or check your answer to pages 1 through 4 in your Research Quest packet. You're going to have about 15 minutes for this work. For some of you who have been absent or who haven't gotten a lot of it done, that will not be enough time. What you don't finish from the first 4 pages in class becomes homework. You don't need to write down every single thing I wrote down, but you should check your answers with mine and make sure you have the basics correct in your packet. To correct your packet, you're going to go to Google Classroom. These notes here, Olson Research Quest answers, are what you're going to use to check your work. There's also a copy in Spanish if you want to take a look at that. But my Research Quest answers are here. Again, you don't have to copy down exactly what I have, but if you have something very different or if you're missing some information, please add it to your packet. Later on, you're going to need to go back into the Research Quest website. Remember that the login code is typed up here in the Google Classroom entry. Video pause now. You'll have about 15 minutes to get this work done. So please work as efficiently as you can, stay in your seats, and do a good job. Now that you've looked at your evidence and checked that you have kind of the main points from my answer key, you're going to work on creating an argument from evidence. You're going to come up with 2 evidence-based explanations for what happened to the dinosaurs at Cleveland Lloyd. So how did they all die? How did the bones get there? Why are the bones arranged the way they are? Before you do this work, you're going to learn a little bit more about evidence and how scientists might classify different types of evidence. You're going to watch this video on your Chromebooks, and you'll go to section 5 to watch that video. Then you're going to click through the next buttons, and it will take you through a series of questions and activities. In your notebooks, at your tables with a partner or on your own, you're going to come up with 2 explanations. Explanation 1 for what happened to the dinosaurs, what explains the fossils you see on that map. You're going to list the evidence that you have from the bone bed, from the fossils, from modern examples of activities. So you're going to list your evidence, and you're going to identify it as strong, weak, or disconfirming. Those are the categories that you're going to see in that video. You're going to come up with 2 explanations for that, and I would expect this work to be done by today. Online, there's some resources that will help you identify what types of evidence you have. There are 3 types that you'll learn about in the video, and they're seen here. And then what I'd like you to do at the end of class today, and if you don't get to this part, it's okay, we'll have a little more time next class. You're going to fill in online this form, and that will be submitted to the Natural History Museum in Utah for them to kind of evaluate your thinking on this activity. If you get through all this, and please do not rush, do not cheat and look ahead, I will tell you, no one knows the answer, so sneaking a look at these isn't really going to help you very much. There are 4 current explanations for different ways of thinking about what happened at that Cleveland Lloyd site to explain the fossils that we see. And these short videos kind of highlight the different ways that scientists can explain it. And again, there is no answer right now, so arguing from evidence is the best that these scientists can do. When you are done with a few minutes left in class, please return the Chromebooks to the proper spots in the cart. You will, remember, have to finish pages 1 through 4 as homework if you did not finish them in class. Do your best work. I do have access to your Chromebooks watching on GoGuardian, so please stay on task and make sure you're on the right pages. Thanks. Have a great day.